about, like many students have asked me that can we use templates in IELTS writing task 2. Well, if you want to score good bands, if you want 6, 6.5 and 7, then using templates in IELTS writing is not going to help you at all. What are templates? Like students learn some good lines and they fit in. You know, using one or two lines, it's or like 10% if you're using some good lines, that is not a problem. But if you are using like 50% mucked up lines you are using, then this is a test which is checked manually. Examiners are checking. Unlike PT essay, you can use template, there is no problem, because it is possible in PT that completely you can use the template and you can get the score. But that's not going to work in IELTS writing. IELTS writing mein, if you want to get good score, then you should use your own views, own structure. Why students get stuck at 6 and 6.5 in IELTS writing? Because a student who requires 7 band comes only when you are using a variety of sentence structure in IELTS writing. You cannot. Good evening, Priya. So IELTS writing mein, if you want a higher band score, then you cannot just learn some lines and then fix it. Like 50% you are putting templates and 50% it's your views. That is not going to help you in IELTS writing. That's why there are many students, they get stuck at 6.5. Why you need to get it 6 or 6.5? We need to. Good evening, Sukhdeep. Welcome all of you. So I am going to tell you today that how you can score good bands in IELTS writing. The best way out is that work at the views part. Now, how to work at views? My suggestion is that daily you should work at 5 topics. Pick up 5 topics daily and work at those 5 topics. Now, how to work at those 5 topics? You can use internet. There is no harm. You can take any 5 questions. Good evening, Ritu. Good evening, all of you. Thank you for joining me. Okay, so this is going to really help you in order to score good in your IELTS writing. So I was telling you that how to improve views part, because if you have not understood the question, you're not going to score good in IELTS writing. So understanding question is very important. Second thing is, now views. If you don't have views, you're not going to get even 6. So how to improve views? Daily work at 5 questions. How to work? First read the question, think over it, make views. Even if you're getting one view, not at all a problem, but work at the question type. You have to work at the question type. Uske baad you should read the sample answer of that question. You can read the sample answer. There is no harm in reading sample answers. I've told you earlier also, if you want to become a good cricketer, you will watch a person who is good at cricket. If you want to become a good batsman, you will watch Sachin Tendulkar, how he played. If you want to become a good wicket keeper, you will follow Dhoni. That how to become a good wicket keeper. So you have to read good sample answers. If you want to write good sample answers, this is pretty simple. So that is what I want to tell you, that work at your sentence, work at the views part, and that will only come when you read 5 questions daily. So पहले उसे पढ़ें, question को पढ़ें, views, think over the views, and then read the sample answer. Then out of those 5, write one. Writing one is important. अब लिखना क्यों जरूरी है? And getting it checked is also very important. What is why it is important? Because when you write, you work at time management. बहुत बार होता है कि in 1 hour students are not able to complete it. Okay, so in order to complete it in 1 hour, you need to practice every day. If any one of you have the problem that you're not able to manage time, then work at this for 21 days. Continuously write task 1 and task 2 within the time limit. Set the alarm. For example, first day you spend 1 hour 30 minutes, then write it. Today I have spent 1 hour 30 minutes, and then next day when you're starting, tell yourself, okay, today I'm going to spend less time than I spent yesterday. And you will see within 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days, you will start seeing that your work time is reducing. This really works. I am teaching IELTS from last 15 years, and this is the strategy which I follow with my students. I even give them 21-day challenge. What is this 21-day challenge? Like for 21 days continuously they have to do writing. They cannot skip it, whether it is marriage or whether they have to go to a birthday party or anything. They cannot skip writing. So what happens when there is a consistency? You really tend to improve your writing, and there I give you 100% surety that if you write it continuously for 21 days, you will work at the time management part. Secondly, your sentence structures will improve. Get it checked by someone, then only you will come to know where you are lagging. And if you want to check it yourself, then check it out. Good evening, Sukhdeep. Good evening, everyone. So these are the strategies which we are discussing related to IELTS writing. So what I was telling you is, one thing is views. Second thing is work with a variety of sentence structure. Like see that ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एक पैरा में you have used if only, या and only, or you have repeated should only. That should not happen. You should not repeat the structures. That is really going to create a problem for you. So if use कर लिया तो बट यूज़ करने की कोशिश करो, आईएनजी जेरेंड यूज़ करने की कोशिश करो, बट यूज़ करो, बिकॉज यूज़ करो, व्हेन यूज़ करो, ड्यू टू विच, ड्यू टू दिस, अनडाउटेडली, सर्टनली, डेफिनेटली, इट इज़ ऑफन सीन, इट इज़ अ वेल नोन फैक्ट. इस तरह के वर्ड्स यूज़ करो. दिस इज़ रियली 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 गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. और भी कनेक्ट, ऑल दो यूज़ करो, डिस्पाइट यूज़ करो, अदरवाइज यूज़ करो, इन ऑर्डर टू यूज़ करो. ये बहुत, और ये हर राइटिंग में यूज़ हो जाते हैं. सब बहुत अच्छा होता है, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो. सो यू शुड यूज़ दिस ऑल्सो इन योर आइल्स राइटिंग. और ये सारे आपके आइल्स राइटिंग में यूज़ हो जाते हैं. सो why you should not take advantage of my experience, because अगर हम इन वर्ड्स की ना लिस्ट बना लो, इसको सामने लिखो और रोज़ जब राइटिंग करो तो इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ कर करके सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर बनाओ. इट इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. और ये यूज़ होते हैं क्योंकि आप अपनी बात को एक्सप्लेन करोगे तो इफ़ का यूज़ करोगे ही ना, बट का यूज़ करोगे ही ना. टू से सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करो, बाय से सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करो, आईएनजी से स्टार्ट करो. एक्सरसाइजिंग डेली इज़ गुड फॉर हेल्थ, तो ये आईएनजी से, एक्सरसाइज के साथ आईएनजी आई हैव एडेड. सो एक्सरसाइजिंग डेली इज़ गुड फॉर हेल्थ. सो दिस इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. एक्टिव पैसिव का कॉम्बिनेशन यूज़ करो. बट यू नो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्या काम आएगा? व्यूज़ पे वर्क करना और लिखना, ये दोनों बहुत ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि व्यूज़ नहीं है तो स्कोर नहीं आएगा. आप चाहे कितनी भी अच्छी वोकैब, कितना भी अच्छा सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर यूज़ करो, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव व्यूज़ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट गुड स्कोर इन योर आइल्स राइटिंग. सो ये चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. प्रैक्टिस करो, चेक करवाओ. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि यू वर्क एट दीज थिंग्स. ओके, सो आई होप दिस सेशन वॉज हेल्पफुल. एक और चीज़ बहुत 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 इंपॉर्टेंट है, डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चंस पे वर्क करो. लास्ट के 15 दिन यू नो जो क्वेश्चंस आपको नेट से स्टडी करो, जो भी टफ लग रहे, प्रीवियस एग्जाम के ही पढ़ना, वो ही रिपीट होते हैं. फालतू टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है. बुलजाई पे हिट करना है. बुलजाई मतलब जो रिपीट हुए उन पे ही वर्क करना है. तो पिछले ही क्वेश्चंस रिपीट होते हैं. ठीक है. सो ऑल द बेस्ट. कीप ऑन वर्किंग एट योर राइटिंग. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.